What's the difference between a list, dictionary, and array in Python? Let's understand list first. Lists are ordered collections of items. And this order is based on the sequence in which elements are added to the list. They are mutable, meaning you can add, remove, or modify elements in the list. Elements in a list are accessed using zero-based indexing. This means that the index of the first element in the list is 0, the second element is at index 1, and so on. Lists are created using square brackets. This example initializes a list with elements 1 through 5, appends 6 to the end of the list, removes the element 3 from the list, and prints the updated list, resulting in 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now, dictionary. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key-value pairs, meaning that the order in which key-value pairs are stored in a dictionary is not guaranteed. They are mutable, meaning you can add, remove, or modify key-value pairs in the dictionary. Elements in a dictionary are accessed using keys, not indices like 0, 1, or 2. Dictionaries are created using curly braces, or the dict constructor. This code initializes a dictionary, my_dict, with key-value pairs, then adds a new key-value pair D4, removes the key B and its associated value from the dictionary, and prints the value associated with the key C, resulting in output 3. Arrays in Python can be represented using lists or the array module from the standard library. And arrays in Python can hold items of the same data type only. This code initializes an array, my_array containing integers, then appends 6 to the array, and prints the updated array, resulting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If you found the video valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest uploads and never miss out on new content that can benefit you.